Uncle Barris is in town. What's good? What's good?
Here he is.
Well, man.
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Happy to see you yet again.
Good to see you, man.
Good to see you, boss. You done know.
Yeah.
That is Beresford Hammond, the living legend, touching down in Montreal a few days ago for his Canadian leg of his concert tour, where he kicks off in Montreal at the Olympia Theatre, and he comes to Toronto on Sunday, July 8th at the Rebel Entertainment Centre, where tickets are all sold out for that venue. This is, you know, a living legend. And, you know, in Toronto, like a lot of people, as I said, the venue is sold out because Beresford Hammond have been in the business for 50 years. And for a legend, for someone like that to be in the music for 50 years and to be still selling out tour overseas, that is like amazing. That is what you call legendary status. And I don't normally talk about entertainment and music that much, but for this month I've been talking a lot more about entertainment because we are heading into August, and August is Caribbean season in Toronto, in Ontario, where we have one of the biggest Caribbean festival in the entire world, Caribana, that sees over 1 million people for that weekend. So there's a lot of buzz going on in the city from, you know, a lot of artists from the Caribbean, from Trinidad, from Jamaica, from St. Vincent, you know, so it's just like a buzz. It's festival season, and man, Beres Hammond, and one of the things, you know, I've been talking about music following, you know, Buju Banton's tour, the Long Walk to Freedom tour, and I had the opportunity to see Tarrus Riley just 2 weeks ago at the Little Jamaica Festival with Dean Fraser, who is another living legend, one of the greatest saxophone player of all time. Not even just out of the Caribbean, but just from anywhere. And it is just amazing to see that someone like a Beresford Hammond that has been in the music since 1970 can come to Toronto and still sell out an event space. And the tickets, you know, when I look at the tickets were going for like $200 US, $150 US, which would be somewhere in like the 25,000 Jamaican dollars. And that is amazing just to see, you know, and most of his songs, when he, that in his set when he performs, are songs that was written like 30 years ago. And to see a legend like that can come to Toronto and sell out an event, no cheap tickets, like expensive tickets, no free concert, like expensive $200, $150 US tickets. You know, this is a lesson for a lot of our local, our Jamaican acts that are coming up in reggae music and in dancehall now, that when you write good music, when you compose good music, that's like your retirement package. Like 30 years later, if you write good music, you can be traveling and you can be touring. I think Beres Hammond is like in his late 60s now, and just to see him like performing at some fest, and to see him, you know, coming to Montreal, coming to Toronto, then he leaves Toronto and he heads straight to the USA for the next leg of his tour. That is just inspirational, that, you know, like someone can have this longevity in the music industry, which is such a rare thing. You know, so just leave in the comment section your favorite Beres Hammond song. For me, like, it's What One Dance Can Do. That is like the most iconic song. And you know, like, I used to be involved in music back in the late 90s, heading into the year 2000, and I had the opportunity to go to Harmony House a lot of times to buy music, to sell music, and just to see the environment that, you know, Beresford Hammond create at Harmony House studio, and to see the impact that he has had on the music and a lot of the rising stars coming out of Jamaica, from Jack Ure to you name it. Like Beresford Hammond had, you know, a hand in their career. Even Buju Banton, you know, Beresford Hammond was there as a mentor. So it is just amazing to see, you know, Beresford Hammond in Toronto, and it's just cool because you never know. Like the guy is almost 70 years old, so and there's not much like reggae singer with that legendary status. I can only think of Beresford Hammond and maybe Jimmy Cliff. If you can think of anyone else, just drop it in the comment section. But Beresford Hammond tour in Canada, July 27, Montreal, July 28, Toronto at the Rebel Entertainment Center, and as I said, it's already sold out. So please let me know what you think about which of Beresford Hammond's song is your favorite song, and what do you think about someone like Beresford Hammond that is in the music industry for 50 years and can still be touring and not, you know, because sometimes you'll see artists, they're still touring but their tickets are cheap, like as I said, 150 US, $200 tickets. And Toronto is a buzz in the summer. A lot of entertainers come to Toronto from Jamaica. I think Vegas, Alkaline, a lot of them are coming up in August for concerts, and it's not a lot of artists that can come and perform and have a concert, a solo concert, headlining a concert for like $200 US, and the longevity, because some of the entertainers that are the ones that are running the ground, as they would say right now, when they come to Toronto and they're performing, it's like $50 and things. So it just goes to show, when you write good music, lives on forever. So Beresford Hammond concert, Montreal, Toronto. Please leave your comment in the comment section and tell me what you think about Beresford Hammond, the legend tour in Toronto and the USA. Peace. I'm out.